Now, it's really shit. Yeah, it's kind of lifting there, isn't it? I think. This, is it this end? I think it's this end. One of the ends was actually worse. Yeah, it's this end. This end was printed on the far side. I need to really do a bed level. So it's done the vertical parts okay. Okay. It's really, really thin because I wanted to just do it really quickly with very little material just to get the idea. But you can see the size is right. So I could actually do a frame for this now. Obviously the height isn't a problem. So I can make a frame, a bezel frame, that this will fit into, because obviously this is just a stand. It's reasonably, even though it's printed really, really poorly, because it's just a kind of a tester. It's done the job. And it's not bad. It's, even though the print is, like you can see, it's like, even though the print's shit, it still keeps it there, and it's not. You see, it's not falling over on a whim. No. So I'm quite happy about that, actually. Yeah. I've used this one instead of that one because there's nothing on the back of this apart from just the original stuff. But it did print it wider than the actual bezel, than the monitor itself, which means you could make a screen with a bezel. Yeah. Cool.